Morning guys, how are you doing? Sean here from Lawn Lawn Treatment Service in South Yorkshire, enjoying a brew. So today is something just a little bit different. Instead of doing lawn work today, I've got a list of items for a long-term customer. We come and look after his garden for him as well. And we're going to be spending the day here today, weather permitting. It's forecast heavy rain later. He's got a list of bits and bobs. So we're out in the countryside and it is absolutely stunning as a location. It's a nice little barn and we overlook all these fields. Just a beautiful place. So we have this little snicket door here for getting in and out, which is great. And you enter in, it's like a little paradise. So normally we've got a full display of dahlias on there. They've come to their end. So today we're going to be cutting them down, digging them out, laying them out on the lawn for the customer, and they're going to be putting them away for winter in a specific order because they're all labelled up. It's normally an excellent display. Then we've got a section down the side of the conservatory to clear down there, as they did have a problem with rats, which is not surprising given the location. There are lots of things to do, but I don't think we'll get it all done today. We have a border going all the way around there, and we're going to be making that border wider by about a foot and giving it a good tidy up, a good fettle through. And at some point down the line, there's 2 apple trees over there in those tubs, and we're going to bring them over and putting some holes, one over there and one over there, and planting them in. So that is it. Have me get some work done. I'm just taking this wigwam down, and they have They grow runner beans. Every year, and the idea is to cover the septic tank. They're all tied in at the top, so I'm just pulling them down and taking all the dead off so that these stakes are ready for next time. It's a dirty job, but somebody's got to do it. These things are brilliant. Just basic bramble gloves. They're worth their weight in gold. With these on, you can pretty much pick up brambles and not feel anything most of the time. So I'll just quickly show you. So what we've got the septic tank there, which we're going to clear all the rubbish out there. But there's brambles that grow around that back corner there, and they do get some berries off, so we ain't going too mad with it, but we're just cutting it back because it was coming all over. But as you can see, with these particular gloves, you can pick these up just fine. You can even bend them, break them, grab them, and them little thorns, you just don't feel them. So these are fantastic for when you're picking up the really prickly stuff, but they're not brilliant for doing fine work where you need to use your fingers quite with good dexterity, if that's the word.
I got a ticket in my hand to you, canceling all my plans for you. Don't know where we're going, what we're gonna do. Got a ticket in my hand to you, 'cause I'm thinking maybe we got something, maybe we got something, maybe we got something good. Maybe we got something, maybe we got something. I know we got something good, something good, something good, something good. So I'm playing all my cards for you, and I'm shooting for the stars and you. You're already in my heart, so what do I got to lose? I'm playing all my cards for you. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe we got something, maybe we got something, maybe we got something good. Maybe we got something, maybe we got something.
Cannot recommend these enough. Bulldog, and they're on a ratchet. You just literally give it some of that. Just a bit of fine tuning now. I'm just leaving a little bit on.
Maybe we got something, I know we got something good.
Hi guys, so the weather's taken a turn for the worst. It was forecast to get heavier this afternoon, and now everything's just getting really muddy. So I'm just doing a bit of tidying up. I'm going to call it a day for today, but I just thought I'd like to have a look and see what we've done and where we've got up to. So, let me have a look at this. So we've got the half moon there, which we dug out all the dahlias over there, and we've put them in the same order that we took them out, because they're going to store them. They know which ones are which colour. And we've gone over with the fork, turned it all over, just to make sure there's no more dahlias hiding there, and to sort of de-weed it. And we've cleared out the brambles from the back there. He's going to train it again, and I got so far around, but the next stage will be to move those pots and get all that corner tidied up. And as far as widening this border, well, all I've done, I've just literally gone round and taken out all the tall stuff which was dead to this year's growth pretty much. So the next stage will just be to get down hands and knees and weed that section really well, and then that'll be nice and clear, and then we will widen the whole border by about 12 inch all the way down here and back down there. So yeah, so we haven't done bad really. We've had probably half a day, and yeah, it's a bit neater, it's a bit further along, and there's plenty more to do, and customers happy for me to do it right through winter and just get it looking superb. So like I say, that's these bits done. The other thing on the list, I've got to clean all this pathway down here with the pressure washer and get all the dead stuff out of the pots. And down the side of here, where one of the rats' nests were, we're going to get all that out and cleared, and that little tree thing at the end growing up, we'll get that sorted out as well. Right guys, so we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day.